In today's video, we're going to walk you through building out our closet. We are in the process of building out a storage shed into a tiny house, and this is the addition. My name is Jess, my husband's name is Joe, and we'd like to welcome you to American Roots. Now, this was the double doors on the side of the tiny house where Tag and Joe added supports and a raised header to give it a very grand open entrance into the closet and the addition. It really helps make it not feel so tight and closed in. What you're looking at is the temporary header that they use just to get it supported before they put in the actual beams that were going to stay there. Once we got everything done, we were ready to insulate and then begin on the finished carpentry. Joe installed can lights. We got a really good deal on them, and they're really easy to install, and they were very good on electricity use. He had to make custom cuts to make all the lights fit in the shiplap, but we just went slow, made sure we were paying attention to where we wanted the lights. What I like about using shiplap is it's very user-friendly. As long as you get level boards, they're not all tweaked and, warped. It really makes it easy to just install, and then it's finished unless you're going to stain it or you're going to do something different. But it just gives it such a clean look, and it goes with the flow. The house was already shiplapped when we bought it, so it just kind of makes sense to keep that going so it doesn't look like we have all these additions. It looks like one, like it was always supposed to be that way.
Talk to me when I look alright. The features in my face align enough to form a present smile for people I just met a while ago. To help lift off this heavy weight and push it back another day. I know it's happening anyway, so what the hell's another day? Have you seen the mess I've been looking up for it. It's gone away for now, but I know it's coming back around, so I'm looking out. Have you seen the mess I've been? Take me when I'm up and straight, but nothing ever stays the same. Bent in the guilt of my own age, staring at you through a different face. Have you seen the mess I've been looking out for it. It's gone away for now, but I know it's coming back around, so I'm looking out. Have you seen the mess I've been?
Joe and I would like to invite you to our new live happening Sunday at 7 p.m. We would love to get an opportunity to get to know you and chat with you. We look forward to seeing you then. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. Until next time, we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.
As well as I said.